Good morning and welcome to church. We're so glad you're here today. Whether it's your first time or you've been part of this family for years, you belong. If you are a first-time guest, take a moment to fill out the Connect card in the seat back in front of you. Bring it to the welcome table after service. We'd love to meet you and give you a gift. Want to follow along with today's message? Download our Connect app. Be sure to follow us on social media to stay up to date with everything happening. Our evening service tonight is paused, but we'd love to see you back this Wednesday at 7 p.m. for ministry for the whole family. We have discipleship in the sanctuary for the adults, Switch Youth for grades 6 through 12, Boys and Girls Clubs for elementary, and Bible Adventure for our littlest ones. Men, mark your calendar and be here for Men's Connect this Tuesday, February 24th at 6 p.m. in the Fellowship Hall. Bring some man-sized food to share and come hungry. On Friday, February 27th at 6 p.m., join us for Adult Bible Study in the Fellowship Hall. A great time to grow in God's Word and build relationships. For singles 50 and up, mark your calendar on Saturday, March 7th at noon. You'll be heading to Outback Steakhouse in Baytown. You can drive separately or carpool from the church. Just meet here at 11:15 a.m. Also, for our 50 and up adults, Elder Fire is happening Tuesday, March 10th at 10:30 a.m. Come enjoy connection, encouragement, and potluck lunch. On Saturday, March 14th at 10 a.m., we are hosting Redeeming the Roots workshop in the sanctuary. This is a powerful one-day intensive with Pastor Dana Milam. Registration is required, so be sure to sign up online. Ladies, registration is now open for Peace in the Wild Women's Conference happening April 10th and 11th at Faith Church in Houston. You can register online or grab a form in the back of the sanctuary. We also have some van seats available, so sign up if you'd like to ride together. Young Adults Anchor meets Saturday, March 14th at 6 p.m. in the Fellowship Hall. If you're in your 20s to 40s, come hang out, bring a snack to share. Childcare is available. And make plans now to attend our Passover Seder dinner on Wednesday, April 1st at 7 p.m. in the sanctuary. This will be a special night for the whole family as we walk through the story of Exodus together. You can also sign up to bring a dish to share or help serve. A couple of weekly opportunities for you. Our Women's Bible Study meets at 10 a.m. in the Fellowship Hall, and corporate prayer is Fridays from 1 to 2 p.m. We'd love for you to come spend time in God's presence with us. Thank you for joining us today. We're so glad you're here.